Introducing the LINENSPA Adjustable Bed Base, a versatile and stylish addition to your bedroom that promises to transform your sleep experience. This review will delve into the features, design, ease of assembly, and comfort-enhancing qualities of this adjustable bed base, highlighting its compatibility with standard bed frames and its ability to seamlessly blend into your bedroom decor. Stay tuned for an in-depth exploration of how this bed base can elevate your comfort and convenience, all while maintaining a sleek and modern aesthetic. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Design and dimensions. The LINENSPA Adjustable Bed Base is constructed from durable metal with a sleek black finish, giving it a modern and minimalist appearance. The bed base offers 11 inches of underbed clearance, allowing for convenient storage space beneath the bed. With a maximum weight recommendation of 650 pounds, it can comfortably accommodate most individuals or couples. Number 2. Assembly. One of the standout features of this bed base is its ease of assembly. Upon delivery, all you need to do is unfold the adjustable bed base, attach the included 12-inch legs, plug it in, and you're ready to enjoy its benefits. The absence of complex assembly requirements means you can quickly set it up and start using it for various activities, including reading, working, watching TV, or sleeping, all from the comfort of your bed. Number 3. Comfort-enhancing features. The LINENSPA Adjustable Bed Base comes with a wired remote control that allows for effortless adjustments. The ultra-quiet motor ensures that you can change the bed's position without disturbing your sleep or your partner's sleep. Whether you want to raise your head to read a book or elevate your legs for better circulation, this bed base makes it quick and easy to find the perfect position to enhance your comfort. Number 4. Compatibility and Style. This bed base is designed to fit conveniently inside most standard size bed frames, making it a versatile choice for those who want to maintain the style of their existing bedroom furniture. This compatibility ensures that you can enjoy the benefits of an adjustable bed without compromising on the aesthetics of your room. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 73.53 inches length by 53.54 inches width by 13.78 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 5 reasons to buy. Easy assembly with no complex instructions. Compatible with most standard bed frames. Durable metal construction ensures longevity. Ultra-quiet motor for disturbance-free adjustments. Wired remote control for effortless position changes. 1 reason not to buy. Some users may prefer a wireless remote for convenience. Conclusion. The LINENSPA Adjustable Bed Base is a well-designed and functional addition to your bedroom. Its easy assembly, compatibility with standard bed frames, wired remote control, and quiet motor make it a practical choice for those seeking enhanced comfort and convenience. With a durable metal construction and a maximum weight recommendation of 650 pounds, this bed base offers both style and functionality, making it a valuable investment in your sleep quality and overall well-being. Whether you're looking for a solution to alleviate discomfort during sleep or simply want to enjoy the versatility of an adjustable bed, the LINENSPA Adjustable Bed Base is a compelling option to consider. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.